All right, guys, we're gonna play around with painting a galaxy. We're gonna paint little dabs of analogous colors, blue, red, and purple, and layer white on top to make tints. So here I'm dabbing a little bit of red on top of some of the white I put down. Now I'm gonna dab on a little bit of blue, maybe some purple down there, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of white on top to create variation of that color in a tint. You're gonna do this all around your paper. You don't want to cover up all of the black. I want to be able to see black peeking out in different areas, but you do want to have equal coverage. So that means I don't want half of my paper to have these kind of galaxy colors and the other half to be empty. I want to create equally around the page. I can even turn my page if that's helpful to reach all the sides. But I do want to ensure that I'm getting fairly equal coverage while still leaving black showing through. When we're done with this step, we're going to have a really good time because we're going to take some white paint that's slightly watered down and we're going to do some splatter painting to make stars on top. So I'm dipping my brush in the white and I'm making it parallel to the paper and I'm tapping that brush so it sprays that white paint. Those pieces that look like they have a little tail behind them, those will look like shooting stars. We get lots of different sizes, which is perfect to show the nighttime sky. Again, I want fairly equal coverage, so I want to do this in all parts of my paper, not leave some lonely without any stars. There we go. I have a lot of stars happening here and it's looking really cool. Now I'm going to be drawing the planets and I'm going to start with the sun, which is actually a star, and I'm going to make a semicircle, 1/2. I'm going to label it so when I'm painting it's easy for me to see what color goes where. Here I'm drawing a circle right down at the bottom. That circle is Mercury. Then a circle that is fairly similar in size for Venus. The third planet is Earth. Then I'm going to make a circle for Mars. Then a circle for Jupiter. Jupiter's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to make that circle a little bit bigger. Now Saturn. Saturn is also a little bit bigger, and I'm going to make a ring around it. Now I'm going back to that smaller size that I was using for Uranus. And then lastly is Neptune. I have images of what the planets look like, and you're going to look at these so you're able to paint yours to look like that specific planet. Then when they're dry, we're going to cut them all out. Then I want to put them in planet order and glue. Now I'm going to take chalk and I'm making a highlight on each planet. The sun is the light source in the solar system, so the side of the planet that is closest to the sun, I'm just making a little white line along the side. I'm following that contour of the planet to make a white line, and I'm blending with my finger. On the opposite side, I'm going to make a shadow using the color gray. A line of gray and blend. A line of gray and blend. Gray and blend. Again, I'm following the contour of the planet. I don't want to make a straight line. That wouldn't make sense. If I would like, I can take a white and make the line that shows the way the planet rotates around the sun. This is an option. It's not necessarily required, but it does make your solar system have a little bit of order to it. There we go. I have a complete solar system in order with value. Pretty cool.